Hello students, one more important sum on determinant 1ab, 1ca, 1bc equal to 0. So what is the value of sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c? And you need no pen and paper, you can do it mentally. Yes, it is true like the sun. The value is 9/4. Now let's explain the magic behind it. The value of the determinant 1ab, 1ca, 1bc equal to 0. When it is possible? It is possible only when a equal to b equal to c. You can feel by expanding the determinant, and you can also put the value a equal to b, c equal to a, b equal to c here. So the two columns are identical and the value of the determinant becomes 0. So we can feel that when the value of the determinant is 0, when a equal to b equal to c. And when a equal to b equal to c, the triangle is equilateral triangle, that is the value of each angle is 60 degree. Now sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c, that is sin square 60 degree plus sin square 60 degree plus sin square 60 degree. Now it is 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4, that is 9/4. So A is the right answer.